Hi guys and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to go through the failed link tracker. Basically, I got this idea from Reddit. Someone was complaining about how hard it's for him to uh, how hard it's for him to managing all these affiliate links he connected with, like copying, then shortening, and then pasting, then again find create some new content, and then find go to the create something different, and then go to the different after links, then copy that, and then shorten, then paste, and that's a lot of process and very time consuming for him. So that's why I made this affiliate link tracker thing. Like, if there may be people that are actually having trouble with this, like more than two or more people's like this expectation. That's why they made this referral link tracker. If there is some people are really need a tool to manage that pain point, then this template can help them. That's why I made this. So let's go to the home page and see the pages and how it's arranged. So in the home page, there are basically two sections: the dashboard section and the productivity section. Yeah, it's not just a normal affiliate link tracker that can only track the affiliate links. It's also a productivity tool. Like, I add a project and task manager here. You can add a project and manager in here so that you can be more productive. Okay, so wait a minute. The project should be here. Okay, fixed. Okay, now then let's go to the dashboard page, my dashboard page. In the my dashboard page section, you can see all the tasks that you have to do today, tomorrow, this week, this month, next month, and this completed. There is project which is are in toggle view, where you can see the planned, in progress, and done plan projects. And there is links. You can see the active links, pending the affiliate links that need to be it's still pending. And then there is the expired affiliate links, and yeah, that's a whole my dashboard section, my page is about. Then there is the capture page. In the capture page, we are going to capture the links and task. As you can see, there is two sections: to capture links and to capture task. Okay, now then let's go back to the home page and see what are the pages. Okay, there you have the links board. Let's see that. So in the links board, you can see all the tech based links here, links here, fashion based affiliate links here, and fitness based affiliate links here, and self improvement affiliate links here. You can always change them with filters, like changing the area. You can add more areas and filter them by that. Okay. Okay. Now let's go to the home page and let's go to the second, fourth page, which is media. Okay, the name says the whole thing. Here in the media section, you can see all the medias you are connected to: YouTube, and Instagram, Twitter, websites. This is section is basically about the medias. Okay, you can also connect the medias to task, and which is very helpful. And you can see the medias and field links connected to, and so on. You can open this. Basically, you can, I will show you. See, you can name the name the page here. The platform is fixed, which is YouTube. You can change that if you want, but it will move from here to there. And then the media link, you are focusing on, then the published date. It's maybe it's website or anything. Okay, and then you can connect to, sorry, we are not connected to the task, we are connected to the projects. Okay, you can start any project from here in YouTube. Maybe starting a blog about traveling. Okay, this is and you can add the media link here, and then publish date here, and then you can start a new project according to the here. Like new project may be going to certain place like India or US or London or anything. That's a new project. Okay, and you can also add the task related to the projects and so on. Okay, I hope you understood. Now then, let's go back to home page. Okay, now we are in the productivity section. So in the productivity section, we have the task. Let's go to the task. In task, you can see all the inbox time based time based task here, which is how the inbox section today, tomorrow, this week, this month, new month, and recent completed. Here you can also mix. You can see all the uh, tasks that are connected with the project and not connected with projects. Okay, you can either create the project that you are connected with, and you can either create the project that has nothing to do with the projects. Task you can nothing to do with projects. Sorry. It's okay. Then there is the priority based view. We can see all the high priority task here, and you can just avoid the low because it's nothing given improvement in your life. Just need to focus on medium and high. Basically medium, which is very important. Then there is a monthly calendar here. You can see all the tasks that are added to that's yeah this month, that are this in this month. Okay. Now let's go back to the home page and go to the project section. Projects are well, project page. Projects, I simplified this project because I don't want to be more. I don't like having more than what I want in this in a single page. So wait till load. Okay, you can see the project in a status view where you can see the project. Like for an example, we talked about. Imagine it's the traveling to US. Okay, that's a project. That's a plan. You are already planned here. The planning has done here, and if it's in process, you can see it here. And then there is the board. You can see the projects that are in the complete in process in a board view. Okay, let's make it simplified. Then there is timeline where you can see in a timeline view of the projects. That's it. Nothing more. Nothing else. And then there is my one month view, my month page, which you can see the links you are connected with recently and this month here, the project that you have dealt with in this month and recently here, and then the task that you have done or doing can be here like recent this month and next month in next month view. It's a toggle arranger, so you can just simply touch it. You can see the toggle is open. Okay, that's a my month page. Now then let's go to the, sorry about that, go to the GTD, get things done system. With this GTD through a method to get things done faster method get things done system, you can arrange all the tasks that rather than be efficient in what you do. That's the main thing here. Like inbox first, then go to the then add that go change the smart list to something like, wait, I will show you example. Okay, okay, so it's the smart list is empty. Let's change that to do next. So when you add to the do next, it will go to the new do next section. And do next is also shown in monthly view where you can see, wait, something is going wrong. Okay, yeah, I dragged it here. As you can see, I dragged it here. Like, okay, I will show you one more time. Okay, one maybe work on the utility video. Okay, and sorry, oh, spelling mistake. Okay. And then there is, I will add to this 15. Okay, priority should be high. It's in the do next. So yeah, Then now when we go to this month, you can see that working in this you can see the task in right here. Okay, you can just check it. Okay, even if you check it, you can see here, because yeah, I don't want to show each give me a motivation of how much I checked. That's why I didn't give a filter to move when it's checked. Then there is delegate section where you can see all the tasks you have assigned to some and assigned to some other people's. Then there is, you can see the task you have snoozed. Okay, if it's empty, then like if it clear, then it will go. Then there is the task you will do someday, move to someday. Okay, I hope you got an idea. Now let's go to the home page. And okay, now we have the last page, which is archived page. So this archived page is basically something I added only to make things organized, or make a visual organized view. Okay, if you're done with the links, then get them to the archive section, so that it move away from the other the main pages, and then it show you only in the archive page. Just like that, do that in areas, medias, and projects too, so that it can arrange well in other pages. And that's it. This is how you can use the Notion. This is affiliate link tracker to track your affiliate links and be productive with your projects and tasks. Yeah, hope you like this video. And if you want this affiliate link tracker, then you can go to the description and just download it there. From there is totally free. Okay, and like this button, subscribe, and see you next video. Thank you for watching.